You can get your name.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Irene David Njau. I'm a master's student in University of Macerata, coming from Italy, and I'm currently studying in Kenyatta University. One of the greatest things that you have said is like you are welcoming a lot of us in Kenya, but I have a problem, specifically me. I'm just here for 2 months, but I want to go back to Italy. They tell me that I have to be a resident, which is very critical. And as I am studying in tourism sector, and I'm taking international tourism and destination management, coming to learn here, I've been here for the past few days for the seminars and stuff, but now I cannot go back to where I'm coming from since my residence permit is expiring and saying that the nation of Kenya has guided that we have to get a residency here in Kenya so that I can reapply for my re-entry visa to Italy. What are you going to tackle on this matter? As for me, for what I know, being a resident here maybe is to get for a 1-year pass. Me, I'm only for 2 months. And the only option they are giving me is going back to my country to go back to request and go back to Italy. It's crazy.
Are you Kenyan?
No, but I'm a Chaga girl. I have a trait of Kikuyu. I'm sorry, but I'm not a Kikuyu person for now.
No, I'm just saying, so are you a Kenyan citizen?
No, I'm a Tanzanian citizen.
Okay.
Yes, but I've come here specifically for studying, getting some knowledge to do my research since I'm planning to do research in Kenya.
Okay.
And I'm only here for 2 months. I have to leave in February.
Okay. So I think we will, Rebecca, you will handle her matter with our immigration people. Yeah, I think we can find a solution for the challenge that you are facing. I think it is not. It's not a big challenge. It's not. I think it's an individual issue which we are going to sort it out. The minister here will look at it. Let me take another set of. We have a lady there in good specs.